Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with the king. First, understand that the king is the most crucial piece on the board. If it is captured, the game is over. The king moves one square in any direction, forward, backward, sideways, or diagonally. It cannot move into a square where it would be attacked by an opponent's piece. There's also a special move called castling, which involves the king and one of your rooks, providing safety and developing a rook. Protecting your king is paramount from the very first move. You should always strive to build a strong, protective pawn shield in front of your king, typically on the king side after castling. Avoid moving these pawns unnecessarily, as it can weaken your king's defenses. Always be vigilant for any threats from your opponent's pieces, such as checks or potential checkmating patterns, and react accordingly to keep your king safe. While the king needs protection in the opening and middle game, its role transforms dramatically in the endgame. Here, your king becomes a powerful attacking and defending piece. Use it to support your own pawns as they advance towards promotion and actively attack your opponent's pawns. A well-placed king can be the difference between a draw and a win, often helping to create a passed pawn or assisting in a checkmate. Mastering basic checkmate patterns is essential for any player. Two fundamental patterns involve a king and queen versus a lone king, and a king and rook versus a lone king. The key strategy is often to restrict the opponent's king, forcing it to the edge of the board where it has fewer escape squares. Consistent practice of these two checkmates will significantly enhance your endgame proficiency and help you convert winning positions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.